Do you hate editing so much that you started shooting in JPEG? Whether you're using Fuji, Nikon, Canon, Sony. Wait, does Sony do JPEGs? Probably. Anyways, so you shoot JPEG, and then there are sites for recipes, and that's what you do. But what if there was another way? But it involves shooting in RAW. Hear me out. Back in the day, there was this thing called disposable cameras, because they were disposable. Do you remember? How about you in the back? Do you remember? Yeah. Anyways, so disposable cameras. The thing with disposable cameras was everything was fixed. The ISO, the aperture, the shutter speed, and even the focus. No autofocus. You just point and shoot. I wonder if that's where the name comes from. And then when you were done, you would take the camera to be developed, and magic, you got photos. But really, it was a lab technician adjusting the exposure, whether it's printing or scanning the film. That's why a lot of the pictures looked grainy, imperfect, and also real. So here's the idea. I'm going on a photo walk with the fixed settings. 1/100th of a second, 30mm lens, f16, ISO 800, which is the second native ISO for this camera. My focus distance is going to be fixed. I'm going to use the hyperfocal distance, which would be 2.5 meters. And when I'm done, I'm going to import the RAW into my camera editor, which will be Capture One. And all I'm going to do is press Auto. And that's it. That will be my version of bringing the camera to be developed. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go on a walk. So all the pictures are going to be super underexposed. Oh. Or just rightly exposed. This is a good test for the underexposed area and the overexposed area. Oh, and the runner. Perfect. And how about a shadow selfie? Apply settings to live view. So the settings is not applied in live view. And the second challenge is not to press this button. The good thing about this, treating the settings as if it were a disposable camera, I can just focus on the composition and not think about the settings. Now I can do the same thing when I have everything is in auto, but it's not as fun. I'm not going to edit any of these pictures. How about that one? Vespa! I think I like the triple contrast in this. How about a reflection picture? Gonna wait for some bikers. Yes, another biker. Nice. Symmetry and negative space. I'm gonna try vertical. It almost looks like an Android. I'm gonna shoot through this. Okay. Something like this, I like. Contrasty. It might work. It's kind of pretty. Let's see the crystal raindrops fall. And the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. That's a fun bike. It's not gonna win me any artistic prizes, but it's kind of fun. There is a really cool long tunnel here. Why are there bags there? I did like the aesthetic of empty seatings. And there's a lot of empty seatings here. It's easier to get empty seatings when it's cold outside. Imagine this, but with a zoom. That was definitely an interesting photo walk. Not needing to think of my exposure and my focus points. Basically just point and shoot like the old days with the disposable cameras. Maybe I should go somewhere more quiet. Now that that is done, I'm going to send the pictures to the lab. I'm gonna import them in Capture One, and then I'm going to just press the auto and let the developer do all the editing. So this is what the digital disposable camera achieved.